So good morning. We're here with Mr. Harald from the Ministry of Infrastructure and Environment of the Netherlands, and he is teaching in this two-day training organized by EIPA on behalf of the European Commission, DG REGIO on strategic procurement in ESI funds. So what is this training about, Mr. Harald?
The training is about green public procurement, and I will explain how we have a way of doing green public procurement in the Netherlands for infrastructure. And I think the examples that I can give, that's why I was asked actually, just to give the examples, because there are theoretical parts of the course, and then I'm coming in to tell sort of the practical application of all the theory that was presented in the course. And what makes it especially interesting, I think, because we have a way that is different than a lot of environmental people think. They think about you have to put all kinds of strict rules in your contract and specifications. You have to do this, you have to do that. We go the other way. So we think about carrots and not about sticks. We put incentives in the contract that make contractors really think about the policy objectives that we have. So they start thinking not about only the lowest price, but about how can we help the contracting authorities to get their projects done, but also to reach their policy level.
Okay, that's perfect. And what's the Dutch experience and approach, and why is it important towards this?
We think well, it's actually what I said. It's using carrots and not sticks. So we have a functional specified project. So the market, the business people, they can think about different solutions. So we create competition on quality and solutions, not just competition on price. And I think that is essential to get more and more innovative solutions into our infrastructure. Because otherwise it's only one company or one public authority that thinks about the solution, and now we have companies competing on who has the most clever solution, and they compete on price and quality. So it's not only on environmental aspects, it's price and quality.
Absolutely. And so you would probably say that that's the main value of these training seminars at European level.
I think the main value of the seminar is that people really experience how much is actually possible within the European guidelines. Because there tends to be sort of risk thinking, oh, that is new, and is that really allowed, is that possible? And I think we show how you can do it in practice, that it is very efficient and it's not expensive.
Okay, absolutely. And so for the last question is, what advice would you give to someone working in ESI funds and procurement?
Contact people that have experience. Look at how other people are doing it.
Right.
Copy. Don't invent something new. There's a lot of things have already have been invented. So cooperate. Because if you think from companies, they don't want all the public authorities to do things in a different way. That if you work in Holland and in Belgium and in France, and we're not exclusive. There are other countries that are doing similar things, the same way of thinking. If you just join that group and have incentives in place in your contracts, then you will get really quick results without increasing the price.
Perfect. That's great. Thank you very much for your time.
Okay.
Sir. Thank you.